Hello and thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Today's Wordle Solved, where you guess it, I solved today's Wordle. You'll see the strategy I used, plus I'll give you tips and tricks on how to be the best Wordle player you can possibly be. So take a little time and check it out. You'll be glad you did. Let's go. Here's Wordle number 753 for July 12th, 2023, starting with my favorite starter word, raise. 2 letters, the I is in the correct position, the R is not. So, what if I did something like this? T, R, I, X, X. What word could work here? I'm thinking of some combination consonants. One that comes to mind is this one, T-R-I-C-K. It's just a guess, but it will tell me if the R is in the correct position and if there is a T, a C, or a K. So I'm going to give it a shot. T-R-I-C-K. No, and the R is not the second letter, and the T, the C, and the K are not in the word. So not a very good guess, to be honest. So let me try the R as the second to last letter. So I have to figure out what would be the last letter. W will not work. Y will work, but I don't think it would be another vowel. U, O, P. P will work. Can't think of a word that ends in IRP. D will work. Can't think of anything there. F will not work. G, H, J, L will work. Swirl, but the S is not available. But here's one that will work. Whirl, W-H-I-R-L. I like the W-H consonant combination, so it could be whirl. I'm feeling good about this. Got it. 3 tries. And the way this worked is that there are some consonant combinations with the H. There is an SH, a TH, a WH, a CH, and it just so happened the WH worked, and the word is whirl. So there you have it, how I solved today's Wordle. I hope you learned something from watching this video, and if you did, I hope you take the time to like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, happy wordling, and be sure to tune in tomorrow for the next Wordle solution.